This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
This is your favorite radio station Go MMT Radio and I'm your host Annie. हर सोमवार को जो है वो हम न्यू मेंबर्स ऑफ MMT को बधाई देते हुए वेलकम करते हैं और आज ऐसा ही एक शो है. We still have 2 months to go before we enter 2026, so we've got to capture the best moments that we can, both personally as well as professionally. One of the moments I'm sure Rahul himself is going through is being now a part of the MMT family. Rahul Mehta from Hotel Supply Department based out of Gurgaon. Badhai ho Rahul, really nice to have you on the show.
Glad to be here, Annie. Thanks for the invite.
अच्छा बताइए कितने दिन हो गए या कितने महीने हो गए आपको ज्वाइन करे MMT?
So it's been a little over 3 months.
Oh good. And before this?
Before this, I was with the Times Internet. It comes under the Times of India group. So
Yes.
I was in the B2B sales department for the Economic Times business verticals.
तो वहाँ पे which is publications या media या journalism के background के industry से आप आए हैं travel industry. How does this change feel?
So change is fairly good. I mean, in my previous office, there were, lots of elder people. Here I see, similar aged members in my team and
Okay.
around also.
So it's a lot more fun, you think?
Yeah, it's more fun. I mean, I can relate to more people here, so
Oh my God. ये तो मतलब यार अच्छा नहीं लगता when you're saying that the older people are not so much fun to be around. But each one has their own experience and I get where you're coming from.
The learning curve was, you can say a little more steeper. But
Yeah. Well, yes, a lot more fun at MMT for sure and it's travel we're talking about. जो मुझे लगता है आपको भी personally पसंद है.
I mean, I have my preferences, but yes, I like traveling.
Fussy traveler, हाँ?
Yeah.
PPT और चैट GPT में फर्क समझ नहीं आता?
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show with Rahul Mehta, जो कि होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट से हैं, बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव. द नेम ऑफ द शो इज बधाई हो. तो राहुल आपको बधाई देते हुए सबसे पहला गेम हम शुरू कर देते हैं, विच इज GK क्विज, क्योंकि बॉलीवुड यू सेड यू आर नॉट टू कीन अबाउट, राइट?
Yeah.
And I'm glad you picked GK. Trust me, it is a lot more fun.
So let's dive into it.
Who is known as the Missile Man of India?
APJ Abdul Kalam.
That is correct. What is the chemical symbol of carbon dioxide?
Well, I was a commerce student, so
You can still give it a shot.
CO2.
That is correct. See, it's
Yeah.
very basic. No, you know it. Which part of the human body produces insulin?
I know this one, but
Stress a little bit more on your mind.
Pancreas.
See, there you go. Now, what is this metal which is liquid at room temperature?
Mercury.
That is correct. Oh my God, you're quite good at this, huh? What was the capital of the British Indian Empire before Delhi? जहाँ पे उन्होंने अपनी कंपनी सेट की थी.
Calcutta.
Yes. Which is the largest continent in the world?
Asia.
That is absolutely correct. Do you remember who won the 2025 ICC Champions Trophy?
India.
And the last question is, who was the first person to land on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
That is correct. Well done, Rahul. Well done. GK quiz choose करके आपने बिल्कुल सही choice किया है. And I hope you enjoyed this round.
Yes, of course. Better than Bollywood, I would assume. So yeah.
Yes, it is. We're going to take yet another break.
Hi Trippers, this is Sunil Grover and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Chaka to bate.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
द शो इज बधाई हो और हम गेम्स भी खेल रहे हैं. हम जो ये नए मेंबर हैं एमएमटी के उन्हें जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कुछ थोड़ा ज्यादा. तो जानने के लिए राहुल मेहता जो कि आज मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं, होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट से हैं, बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव. राहुल, आपसे ये सवाल, ये जो आप कर रहे हैं होटल सप्लाई में, इसके बारे में थोड़ा और हमें डिटेल दीजिए, आपके जॉब के बारे में.
Want to understand. So my role is basically sourcing the best rates from our hotel partners. So I am assigned for the territory of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Wow.
And some long tail hotels of Baku in Azerbaijan.
Oh, that is brilliant. So which means you have already made your trips to Saudi Arabia and Baku, or you are yet to make one?
I have planned a trip. I will go to Jeddah and Riyadh.
Oh, that is good. So see, getting to explore these places. And you were talking about being a bit of a fussy traveler. यहाँ पे तो fuss नहीं काम करेगा.
Yeah, so I mean, for business, I was previously also traveling with Times, but usually in India only. So
Nice.
international business trips is a new thing for me. So looking forward to explore and learn.
Well, यहाँ पर तो आप जिस तरीके का काम कर रहे हैं, ट्रैवल करने को मिल रहा है, मौका आपको मिल रहा है बाहर जाने का, and you're with the largest travel company. Does that make you feel really good?
Yeah, I mean, it also works in a way that it enhances my confidence to
Yes.
always go to new places, meet new people, build relationships, and get going.
Oh, that's good.
Go MMT Radio.
Today, when you start your day, put the customer in the center and answer every communication as if you are on the receiving end. Let's show our customers that we truly care. Hello, I am Parikshit Chaudhary and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
ऑन द शो बधाई हो विद राहुल मेहता जो कि होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट से हैं, बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव. अब आपको पूछना पहले चाहूंगी, बिफोर गेटिंग टू द बकेट लिस्ट, इमर्शन इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम्स, इनके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
So about the immersion induction program, I feel they should happen every 6 months or so because they are just too much fun and you get to interact with different teams, you get to know about the company, you get to know about the new things, which also I think helps you think your role more efficiently and you get new ideas, you speak to more
Correct.
people, you get different point of views, different businesses, inputs and etc.
Oh, that's lovely.
And apart from that, the games are also fun, which bring the plans very well for us, so that we don't get all boring with work.
That is good. And also your interaction with the leaders, because they're there talking to you, getting to know you better, and also helping you understand the company better.
Both inputs from a macro and micro level, they come together and the discussion goes hand in hand. So yeah, I think it contributes to common objective we all are following for the company.
It's, I think, a great experience to be starting off on such a high, because not only does it bring about confidence in you, but you also have the confidence in the company and in the job that you've taken up.
Right.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना, स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो. ओहायो में हमने बनाया, 6-7 years चलेगा. लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो.
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset Go.
It's राहुल मेहता, होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट से, बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव, ऑन द शो विथ मी. बधाई हो है शो का नाम, और राहुल को तो बधाई ऑलरेडी दे चुकी हूँ. अब इस आखिरी सेगमेंट पर हैं हम, विच इज कॉल्ड रॉन्ग आंसर्स ओनली. आई बिलीव यू आर फेमिलियर विद दिस गेम, आरंट यू?
Yes.
Well, then we're going to get to it. But before that, bucket list के बारे में मैंने बात किया था. तो can you tell me some of the places across India, since you've traveled across India so much, that you have already ticked off and it's been your favorite experience?
I mean, I don't have any such favorite experience. I have a habit of liking things how they are and finding
Nice.
the good in that. Last year, I've been to Jaipur 2-3 times. I've been stayed in Lucknow for 2 weeks for business travel and explored there. I've been to Coimbatore for 4 days this March only. For trips, I have many times gone to Goa, some hill stations. All the hill stations I've covered, I think.
Wow.
The next big thing on my bucket list is Ladakh, which I plan to go by a car with my friends as a road trip.
Yeah, I mean, I've heard that the road trips to Ladakh are the best.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it for now.
I mean, I know you do have international trips now planned, both to Saudi Arabia as well as Baku. But apart from that, what's on your bucket list that you want to take off? Two places.
I have relatives in New Zealand, so I might go next year with my family. Apart from that, with my friends, I think maybe Dubai.
Good. Chaliye, wrong answers only shuru kar dete hain. You're ready for it, right?
Yes, I'm ready. So probably the most ready thing I can do on it without thinking an answer.
I think you did very well even in the GK quiz, so don't worry at all.
The rapid fire round.
What is the color of the sky?
The color of the sky is 5.
Oh, good. You're getting the taste of it. Good. How many days are there in a week?
I think the answer should be February.
What do cows drink?
Chicken.
Good. What is the capital of India?
Door.
What is the opposite of hot?
Banners.
What is your name?
Make my trip.
Well done. How many fingers do we have?
Fish.
Okay. What happens when it rains?
Watches.
What do you put in a sandwich?
AirPods.
And the last question, which is usually my favorite question, what do you see in a mirror?
Calendar.
Good. Well done, Rahul. I hope you enjoyed this one too.
Sure. I was just naming off random things and I think it worked out well.
Yeah, Rahul, it's been a lovely time with you. And as much as you have enjoyed this conversation, I have enjoyed too. And also wishing you all the very best to the future dreams that you have put together at MMT. So best wishes.
Thanks, Annie. Likewise. I wish you the same.
Thank you so much. Rahul Mehta from the Hotel Supply Department based out of Gurgaon. Badhai Ho was the name of the show today. This is Go MMT Radio. It is a wrap. It is me, Annie, signing off then. And I will catch you again in a few days. Till then, keep traveling and stay cheerful.
Go Ibibo, Hotel Deals ka Asli Guru is back with its latest campaign. Catch Go Ibibo's brand ambassador Rishabh Pant, this time joined by none other than Shahriyon ke Shahenshah Navjot Singh Sidhu. Tune in and enjoy their fun banter. Playing now only on your favorite station.
अबे सोना कितना सोना है, बढ़िया इस होटल का हर कोना है, 5000 में मिल गई डील, हॉलिडे की आ गई फील।
अजी कर दूं खराब आपकी फील?
कौन है भाई?
गो आईबीबो में मिले 3000 में सेम डील। अब ठोको ताली। भाई बैठ गो आईबीबो, होटल डील्स का असली गुरु। खतैक।
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go Ibibo and Redbus.